AcuMax Index is the ultimate tool for your management needs. It is statistically validated and EEOC compliant that provides guidance in hiring, motivating, and engaging with people. We take an aces in their places approach and help distinguish an individual's natural strengths and how they can be applied to bolster your team's productivity. AcuMax highlights the preferred work style of your team members and how to place your team in an environment that is beneficial for them. Everyone is motivated differently. Learn how each of your team members are motivated to improve confidence and work output. Gain insight to communication styles, work styles, and natural strengths before interviews, and tailor questions to gain more refined information about your candidate. Avoid confusion and boost comprehension and responsiveness by learning how your team members prefer to communicate and process information. Use these communication preferences and natural strengths to keep projects running smoothly and efficiently. AcuMax Index. Effective management simplified.